There are a lot of reasons why people opt to ride a motorcycle than drive a motor vehicle. There's nothing quite like the open road and wind in your face. Riding gives a strong feeling of freedom, independence, and escape from daily stress. Riding a motorcycle offers a more immersive way to explore scenic routes, hidden gems, and long road trips. It's about the journey, not just the destination, plus it offers fuel efficiency and cost savings. The motorcycle world comes with a strong sense of community, whether it's bike nights, group rides, or connecting with fellow riders on the road. For some, motorcycles are about self-expression. Whether it's a cruiser, sport bike, or custom ride, your bike often reflects your personality. The acceleration, leaning into curves, and adrenaline rush are all part of what makes it exciting. But hey, there are also benefits to it. Motorcycle riding improves coordination, awareness, and decision-making. It's a skill that constantly evolves and keeps you sharp. In cities or rural areas alike, motorcycles can be a quick and efficient way to get around, especially for solo riders. To ride a motorcycle in Alberta, one must have a Class 6 license, also known as motorcycle license. This allows you to legally operate a motorcycle, scooter, or moped on public roads. To ride legally, you must complete the required steps to get this endorsement on your license. Before you can apply for a Class 6, you must have a Class 7 learner's license or higher. To get the learner's license, you must be at least 14 years old, pass a knowledge test, traffic and road rules, pass a vision test. You will need to provide a valid ID, proof of residency, and proof of address that is not more than 90 days. Get a Class 6 motorcycle learner's permit, optional but recommended. If you are learning to ride, you can apply for a Class 6 learner's permit to practice before the full road test. With a Class 6 learner's permit, you can only ride during daylight, must have a supervising rider with a full Class 6 license, and cannot carry passengers. It is strongly suggested taking a motorcycle training course can improve your riding skills and increase your chances of passing the road test. Before you book Class 6 road test, you need to attend a registry agent to pass the knowledge test, then you can book and pass the Class 6 road test. Once booked, you need a fully insured and registered motorcycle, a helmet, and proper riding gear such as gloves, long sleeves, pants, boots. Do not forget to bring your valid Class 7 or higher license. The road test fee varies by registry office, usually $80 to $150. The examiner who will conduct your Class 6 road test will test you for basic control, balance, emergency stops, and real-world traffic riding. You must demonstrate safe riding techniques and proper lane positioning. If you fail, you can rebook after 24 hours. What are the costs I need to take into consideration? Registry agents' fees may vary, but to give you an idea, the knowledge test fee is $17 to $25, road test fee of $80 to $150, license reclassification fee is $28, and motorcycle training course, which is optional, but recommended is about $300 to $700. There are some benefits of enrolling in a training course. In some cases, no road test may be required. Learn from professional instructors and get hands-on practice in emergency braking, cornering, and balance. Subscribe if you like topics like this so you can stay informed and have basic knowledge on how to do it yourself with Alberta Registries. Hit the like button as well and feel free to share this video. Comment below if you have any question or topic you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.